Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, we're going to present about Corpus approach to discourse analysis. This topic focuses on how large collection of text or corpora can be used to study language patterns, word choice, and meaning in real communication. By using corpus method, researchers can identify traits, repetition, and unique features in different types of discourse. LV, and my partner is Dini. We will explain how corpus approach helps in analyzing written and spoken text, and how they provide evidence for language use. We will also show some example of how corpus tools can be applied in discourse research. What is corpus? A corpus is a collection of natural language data that has been systematically compiled for linguistic research. A corpus can include written text, spoken transcript, or both. The main principle of corpus study is authenticity. Rather than using invented sentence, corpus linguistics examines how language is actually used in real situations. By comparing multiple texts, corpus linguistics help us understand language variation and use. And the next material is kinds of corpora. First, general corpora. General corpora is a large collection of texts from various topics and genres, such as newspaper, fiction, and spoken dialogue. They show general patterns of language use. And then second, specialized corpora. Smaller corpora built for a specific field or context, such as medical English or academic writing. And then third, spoken corpora. Spoken corpora is transcription of conversation, interviews, and discussion that reveal spoken discourse features. Fourth is learner corpora. Learner corpora is text written or spoken by learners of English to study common grammatical and vocabulary errors. Next is design and construction of corpora. First, representativeness means that the text selected should reflect the real variety of the language being studied. Number 2 is balance. Balance is ensured that no single text types dominates the corpus. And then number 3 is size. Size affects how detailed the analysis can be longer. Corpora give more reliable result. For these steps is first, define objectives, 2, collect authentic text, and then 3, data cleaning and formatting, 4, annotation or pause or syntaxis or pragmatic, and then 5 is storage and complete metadata.
Discourse characteristics of conversational English. Corpus-based research showed that conversational English is spontaneous, interactive, and strongly shaped by real-time communication. Unlike written language, spoken discourse frequently contains incomplete sentences, repetitions, pauses, and overlapping talk because speakers construct meaning collaboratively. Conversational English also relies heavily on discourse markers such as well, you know, actually, and I mean, which help manage turn-taking, express nuance, soften statement, and shift topics. Additionally, listener feedback expression like right, and yeah play a crucial role in showing engagement and maintaining conversational flow. Corpus evidence demonstrates that conversational language prioritizes interpersonal involvement and social connection rather than grammatical complexity or precision. And the next is corpus studies and academic writing. Corpus studies contribute significantly to understanding the patterns and structure of academic writing. By analyzing large collections of authentic students and expert texts, researchers can identify common rhetorical strategies, lexical bundles, and disciplinary conventions that are difficult to observe through intuition alone. Findings from corpora such as MICUSP reveal that academic writing varies across fields and levels of expertise, proving that writing instruction must be discipline-sensitive rather than uniform. Corpus-based teaching activities, such as examining concordance lines or lexical patterns, have been shown to improve students' accuracy, cohesion, and awareness of academic style. However, researchers note that corpus results may be limited by corpus size or representativeness, so conclusion must be interpreted carefully. And the last is the use of corpora in English language teaching. Integrating corpora into ELT offers many pedagogical advantages, including promoting learner autonomy, enhancing vocabulary and grammar awareness, and exposing students to authentic language beyond textbook examples. Data-driven learning (DDL) encourages students to explore real usage examples, analyze patterns, and draw conclusions independently using tools like concordanswers. Corpora can support writing instruction, vocabulary learning, and the development of course materials that reflect real frequency patterns and authentic usage. Despite these benefits, teachers and learners may face challenges such as limited technical skills, difficulty interpreting large amounts of data, and insufficient institutional support or technology access. Effective implementation depends on proper training, guided scaffolding, and the selection of appropriate corpus resources for different proficiency levels.
So, corpora provide real data for understanding language function in context. Corpora also play a vital role in discourse analysis, conversation analysis, academic discourse analysis, and ELT. They connect theory, research, and learning practice in a scientific and evidence-based manner.